So I'm going to spill the beans on what my New Year intentions are. So we're going to have onion pakoras, like onion bhajis.
Which pakoda? Veg pakoda or onion pakoda?
Veg pakora.
Veg pakoda.
Good morning, namaste, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to the New Year vlog as we bring in 2024. So the plan is to set some intentions, but what are my intentions? You will sure find out in this vlog. As a lot of you know, 2023, it's been probably one of the toughest years of my life because, you know, we were managing Mum's cancer. She sadly passed away. So I'm gonna wash away all the toughness of 2023 in the sea today here at Kudle Beach, and then that will let the memories, the good memories, flow, ready to set intentions for 2024. So once I've kind of done the cleansing in the sea, I'm going to collect some natural materials, make a table, so I can do the journaling for the intentions, and that's what we're going to do today. And then, of course, to bring in the new year, I'm hoping I can show you some bit of Indian cooking on pakoras and eat the pakoras for our celebration with perhaps some Indian sweets, fireworks. Let's see what happens. To spill the beans on what my New Year intentions are whilst I sit here with a black masala chai. So it's really good because I'm still not 100% well. As you know, that's why I couldn't really do a big dip into the sea with my head under the water. But yeah, getting there, but the black masala chai is helping with the cold. Ooh, nice. And I'm in a cafe amongst people, so you might be able to hear. You might be able to hear the sea in the background as the intentions are being told as well. Okay, so as I say, I am in an open cafe. Alright, so intention number 1 is to journal more. So I did actually buy a little journal book. So yes, I will journal more because sometimes there's so much going on in India and I appear happy, but I'm processing, but just perhaps not quick enough. Because when it actually comes to a few weeks later, I might get a bit of a low mood because the processing is just coming hard and fast, whereas the journaling may just help with processing along the way and avoid the low mood. So intention number 2 is to maintain my yoga habit. So I've got a habit now of waking up every morning, getting my mat out and just doing my yoga. Again, it's very good for the mind, the body, and of course the processing prevents the lower moods coming. So that is my intention number 2. So intention number 3, nature traveling. It's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Just to, you know, be around the mountains, the waterfalls, just an absolute pure nature heaven. It's just gorgeous. So yes, that's another intention of mine with the traveling. And also, you know, as you can see, all these trees in the background, they're very grounding to Mother Earth, like we do the tree pose in yoga. So it kind of interacts with the yoga, does the nature travel. Intention number 4 is the slow travel, continue the slow travel. So, for example, a lot of you know that I'm staying in a homestay with Parvati, Chandran and Jayshree and Sister Sukri. The other day, Sister Sukri was taking the cow bucket to the cows that's full of debris, and Jayshree was doing an Indian dance. So I traipse all over India when India's right in front of me, and it's much, much better for the environment to just slow the travel down and go deeper. So they are my intentions. So I guess I'm not too far out from the intention setting. I'm kind of getting there, just more journaling, I think, and get back on the road with the nature travel, the nature travel. Like the beautiful trees in the background. It's just lovely. And yeah, I think New Year's Eve will be spent with the host family. As I was saying, maybe some cooking pakoras. I cannot wait for New Year's Eve with the family. Happy New Year, Parvati.
Happy New Year, Kaveri.
Happy New Year. Are we having pakoras today?
Yeah.
Super. Happy New Year, Jayshree.
Happy New Year, Kaveri.
Thank you. Right, so we're going to have onion pakoras, like onion bhajis.
Which pakoda? Veg pakoda or onion pakoda?
Veg pakora.
Veg pakoda.
Veg pakora.
You think she's sweet as candy. I know you wanna be with her, but Josie got a reputation to scratch behind that fur. She's got her little game perfected. She'll let you think you have control, and then one day when you least expect it, she'll steal away your soul. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You think you're being clever like a modern man, but Josie has the upper hand. I know you're not to blame, and there's no shame in falling for her siren. But while you're still a man, you better get out while you can. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You may think you're being clever like a modern man, but Josie has the upper hand. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You may think you're being clever like some kind of modern man, but Josie has the upper hand. You may think you're being clever like a modern man, but Josie has the upper hand.
Good. So they're ready, the pakoras are ready, aka onion bhajis. They're very, very hot. Oh. So it's hard to show you what's inside of them. But anyway, you'll see lots of veg and things. Beautiful. Beautiful. So, Jayshree, you're going to try the pakoras?
Yeah.
Go on then. You try the pakora. Make sure it's not too hot. Did you try it? Is it nice?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see. Oh, brilliant. Okay. So we have got the Indian sweets that we're having. This one's very, very crumbly. And this one's kind of like a biscuit. So we are going to sample them. And we're going to see what they're like. So, our Happy New Year sweets. Yum. So Jayshree is going to try one. Show everybody, Jayshree, your sweetie. Oh, bite into it. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to try this one. You eat that one. You enjoy it, Baba. You enjoy it. So now my turn to try. That is buffy. I didn't think it would be buffy because buffies are normally square or rectangles, but that's buffy. Soft and sweet. Yum. Hi, Parvati. Are you having your Indian sweet?
Yeah,
How is it?
very nice.
Very nice. Yeah, it's really nice, isn't it? Really nice. Yeah, Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Wow, amazing.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Thank you.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Thank you.
Happy New Year!
Woo!
Happy New Year!
Thank you. Hi.
Bye!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you.
Happy New Year!
Thank you. You